So this is my SJ8 Pro, which no longer works. It won't power up. Just want to show you that there is no battery in it for now, but we're going to try running it. So as you can see, there's no battery in it, and I have the USB-C open. I'm going to plug it directly into that wall unit right there to power this, and we'll try turning it on. And as you can see, there's nothing. No lights, no screen. There's no lights on the back, so it does not power on with just external power. Now, I have some charged batteries here. I used an external charger to show that they're charged, so I'll show you that too. So as you can see, this battery is fully charged. I'm going to pull it out, put it into the SJ8 Pro, which looks fine on the inside as well. Just to show you, but we're going to put the battery in, close it up, and this is not plugged into the USB-C at all, so this should be all battery powered. And try turning it on, and you'll notice that it's not turning on at all, which is exactly why I said the problem was. Not turning on at all. Alright, the next thing we're going to try, so we're going to take our USB-C from the wall outlet down there, and we're going to plug it in while the battery's inside of it, which should also work. You'll see that there's no lights here for charging the battery, which might be because the battery's full, but we try turning it on. And you'll see that it doesn't turn on at all. It's nothing. And once again, I'll try taking out the USB-C, and we'll try turning it on with the battery inside of it, and it doesn't work at all. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try this other battery just to show you that it's not the battery, because all of my batteries were working before this happened. So this one's not fully charged, but it's going to be charged enough just to get the camera on. So we'll put it in there. No USB-C. I'm going to try turning it on. And it's not turning on at all. So quite clearly there's a problem with the camera because it won't turn on at all.